Hello there, welcome to the blog. Today I will be showing you a DIY on how to assemble a 2-drawer unit oak look from Anko. So this is basically what's inside the package. It has all the required boards, the drawers, the screws that you need, and you also have the manual, it's inside. It's pretty easy, it's pretty straightforward, so I guess anybody can do it. So now I've laid out all the boards that's inside the box so that you can see the bigger picture of the boards that's inside, and everything that you need is basically in here. So these are the screws. We're going to put them in the four corners of the baseboard. And then after that, we're going to assemble the top boards. So this is the first drawer that we are currently assembling. So now what we're going to do next is that we're going to insert these boards. Okay, we're going to insert it on the sides. Both boards, okay. And then we're going to tighten it with that screw. But we have to use a screwdriver. Now with this board it's pretty easy, just slide it through. Just slide it through. Guys, anybody can do this. This is my first time doing this and it's very easy. It probably took me around 1 hour and a half to assemble all of the drawers. So it's really that easy. Now these are the screws for the base. We need to really tighten these so that the drawer is pretty stable, it's not wobbly and all that. Now with these guys, they're supposed to be placed at an angle. Yes, it has a specific angle before you can place the legs of the drawer. I was actually struggling a bit with this because it's so hard screwing on one hand and then taking a video on the other hand. It's a struggle. Vlogging is a struggle. But with this one I was using a tripod, so yeah. All the way. Guys, I am a complete amateur when it comes to furniture. I know nothing. Absolutely nothing. And this is just something that I bought at Kmart. I bought this because it's cheap. It's around $50. And then how the color has that light brown Japanese feel to it. Yes, that's the kind of vibe that I was going to for the furnitures that I like. All right, one leg down, three to go. Ta-da! Magic! Yes, I did a shortcut, you guys, so that the video won't be too time consuming. I just wanted to show the highlights. And there you have it, guys. I finally finished the box and which is the base of our drawer. And let's start with the next chapter. Ta-da, my very first drawer. Oh my goodness. You know what? After I assembled this, my very first furniture, I felt like a true handy woman and I feel so fulfilled. I don't know about you, but really feels nice to assemble your own furniture. So there you have it, guys, the finished look of the two-drawer oak look set by Anko. Thank you so much for staying with me. See ya!